Hi guys, today we will learn how to make a natural stormy style eyebrows makeup. Here we can see an example of the subjects before the makeup process and the tools that we will use to shape these eyebrows. We use eyebrow styling soap, eyebrow gels. For this example, we use black and brown, eyebrow powder, eyebrow pen, brush, and concealer. First of all, we will apply the eyebrow styling soap to the messy eyebrows by brushing the eyebrows towards the curvature of the eyebrow. And we do the same on the other eyebrow. After that, we outline the eyebrows in the same direction so that it is easy to form the eyebrow frame. We can use the eyebrow pencil to form the frame. Next, we will use the eyebrow gel, brushing the desired color, and we can apply the eyebrow powder after applying the gel to make it look more natural. We apply concealer as a base to the eye frame to make it look firmer and pleasing to the eye. Tap lightly around the eyes to make the concealer resemble a gradient to the eyes. After that, we will correct the eyes using 3 colors eyeshadow, applying colors from the color palette. For this instance, we use from light, medium to dark on the outer corner eyes so that the eyes can be seen more clearly. Brush lightly to apply gradient. For tips on making eyebrows, we have to be brave enough to try again and again, and then there is a determination that I can definitely do it. Thicken eyelash to make it stand out. Lastly, execute the previous tasks to both eyes. As we can see, here is the subjects after the makeup process. Hopefully, this video is fully informative. Thank you!